Hey everybody, so I got a box in the mail today, and we're going to try and see how well this thing works. I'm going to do an unboxing video. I usually don't do these, but why not? Hey kid! I got a ETS C.A.M rifle magazine loader. Being how Uzi mags are a pain in the ass, I'm going to give it a shot. We'll see how it works. Oh, here it is out of the package. Seems like it's in pretty reasonably well made. There's one little bit of flashing here, but it's a molded plastic part. That's to be expected. And I like this, made in USA. And what else can I say about it? Let's see if it works. I'm going to start with. Give it an easy task. We'll give it a rifle magazine, and these are pre-banned. I'm not doing anything super scary. Thanks, Massachusetts. So hold it up against the back of the mag, apparently, and one. Oops. There's two little lips in there. One for small rim cartridges and one for large rim cartridges. Apparently, I got them in the wrong one. There we go. Two. And three. Well, there's 30 rounds stuffed into a AR magazine. So next we'll give it a little bit of challenge. These things suck to load. And one. Two. So after playing around with this thing for about 15 minutes, I've gotten the hang of it, and I would have to say that if you're shooting pistol caliber carbine, this thing's a great thing to have. I was able to get down to about 20 seconds per magazine to load them up, and if you have been playing around at all with the Colt mags, the last few rounds feeding the last few rounds into the magazines is really, really obnoxious. So this is going to save my thumbs, and I think Elite Tactical Systems has a pretty good winner on their hands here. For $29 bucks, I think it's well worth it.